What's the big deal?
But wildfires?
Well, yeah, like, what's so important about wildfires? It doesn't affect me.
That's pretty ignorant. Wildfires do a lot of damage and they get pretty close to people's homes. Like mine.
And it actually does affect people, if not directly, then indirectly. It affects a lot of taxpayers because they have to fund for all of the repairs that are needed from the wildfires.
I didn't think of that. I kind of feel like there's similar people with my ignorant ideas. I think we should educate them.
That sounds like a good idea.
We should be the fire prevention group, guys, and teach people about how to prevent fires.
Yeah.
Wildfires all over the world are often caused by human actions such as cigarettes, unattended campfires,
Hey guys, look what I found.
What is that?
It's a turtle.
and arsons.
Hey, hurry up, Sam.
When the wind picked up, the fire spread, and the grapevine seemed left for dead. And the northern sky looked like the end of days, the end of days. The wake-up call to a rented room sounded like an alarm of impending doom. Before we all
Please do your part to prevent wildfires and to report suspicious people or activities. Keep California fire-free.